How to disable notifications in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and select Settings or Account Settings. Look for the Notifications option and tap on it to see all available Zelle alerts. Now toggle off the notifications you no longer want to receive, such as payment alerts, request, or confirmation messages. Make sure both banners and sounds are disabled if you want all alerts turned off. After making changes, go back and confirm that notifications are no longer active. You can test this by sending a small transaction to ensure you don't receive alerts. You can also turn on Do Not Disturb mode inside the settings. Disabling notifications help reduce interruptions, but remember, you might miss real-time updates about payments and requests. Now you know how to disable notifications in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.